In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the differences between TradingView and ninjatrader, two remarkable platforms tailored for different trading styles. Whether you're new to trading or a seasoned professional, understanding what each of these platforms offers can significantly enhance your trading experience. First, let's dive into TradingView. Known for its robust charting capabilities, TradingView caters to traders who thrive in technical analysis. Its appeal lies in the comprehensive suite of charting tools available, allowing for intricate and detailed analysis of market trends. Moreover, TradingView covers a wide array of markets, which makes it particularly attractive for those involved in multi-asset trading. Beyond its tools, TradingView hosts a vibrant trading community. This community aspect can be invaluable for traders looking to share insights, exchange custom indicators, and continuously learn from others. It's a platform well-suited for traders who prefer a holistic approach, combining technical analysis with community-driven insights. On the flip side, we have ninjatrader, a platform meticulously designed for the needs of professional day traders. If you're deeply involved in the hustle and bustle of US stock trading, speed and precision are paramount, and this is where ninjatrader excels. Unlike TradingView, ninjatrader provides direct market access and advanced order routing, ensuring trades are executed with impeccable speed. This is critical for day traders who operate in a fast-paced environment where every second counts. Its infrastructure supports ultra-fast execution, which is a core necessity in optimizing day trading strategies. While TradingView allows for ease of access across multiple devices, allowing traders to analyze markets on the go, ninjatrader focuses intensively on delivering a desktop-based experience that hones in on speed and execution capabilities. The difference in focus between these two platforms is what sets them apart, making TradingView a standout for analysis and multi-asset flexibility, while ninjatrader is undoubtedly tailored for active traders seeking rapid executions and a professional edge. In summary, choosing between TradingView and ninjatrader largely depends on your trading style and objectives. If your priority is expert-level charting, market diversity, and engaging with a wide trading community, TradingView might just be the platform for you. However, if your focus is on day trading US stocks with the need for lightning-fast execution and direct access to the markets, ninjatrader would be an excellent choice. This breakdown should give you a clearer understanding of what each platform has to offer. Tailor your choice to your specific needs and trading style to optimize your market strategies effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you make an informed decision regarding your trading platform of choice.